Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try a new haircut and it is basically started because I have so much sweat in my back of the head and I wanted to reduce the hair length. But I don't want to do any pixie haircut or short length haircut. So I was searching on Google and I came across this concept. It's called undercut. Now, what is the undercut? It is basically trimming all the hair from back of your head. I'll post an image here for you to know what exactly it is. And I'm asking my husband to help me with the haircut. So without further ado, let's get started. I am starting with the partition and I am creating two sections. The upper one I am tying it into a bun and lower one I am trying to create a straight line. All the hair are trimmed, maintaining a equal length, and then starting with the marking of triangular design which is shown in the picture. This is my haircut looks like. It doesn't show any difference when hair are down, but there were three triangles in the design, so I've decided to go up a bit and add a third triangle. And after some finishing touches, so I'm done with the haircut and this is the look of my haircut. Obviously it is not showing any change in the front, but the magic is in the back. So this is how my hair look at the back, but when I pull them up, they look like this. So let me know what do you think about my haircut. This is the end of the video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.